Tonight I'm making dinner for two. These pork chops are going to be scrumptious, delicious, and easy to make. I'm going to show you how. The first thing I'm going to do is trim the fat off the pork chops. Now you might not want to do that, that's fine, but I do. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the fat off around on the outside here. One thing I want to be sure to do is spray my rack. I have a rack, aluminum foil on top of my pan because I don't want the pork chops to stick. So we have 1 egg in here. I'm going to scramble that up. Okay. In my other bowl, I have Parmesan cheese and Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning packet. So I'm going to mix that up. Okay, I'm going to take my pork chop. Dip it in egg on both sides. And then in our mixture right here, we want to coat both sides. Do the same thing with our other pork chop. Of course, if you're making it for more people, you can just double or triple the recipe. Now these are bone-in pork chops. What do you think, Mark? Bone-in better than no bone? Any thoughts?
Yes, yeah, I do.
Okay. And you wanted them thicker.
Yes, the last ones you made were thicker.
But this is all I could find at the store that looked good and were almost the size we wanted.
Don't be shy, ask the butcher.
That's true. Okay. All right, the oven's preheating. That's it. Now we're going to make the sauce that's going to go on top of the pork chops. So I've got heavy whipping cream. I've got chicken broth. Butter. I've got fresh garlic. And 2 more tablespoons of the Hidden Valley Ranch seasoning packet. And then we're just going to stir, and we're going to keep stirring because we want it to get thick. Are you ready for Parmesan pork chops?
They look and smell good, Bridgetta.
Mm-hmm. So I have it on top of some mashed potatoes, and we have a salad on the side. We might have needed a bigger plate.
It's okay, it makes it look spectacular. Ooh, so tender.
I want to take a small piece. Okay. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
That
Oh,
is
man.
so good.
It is.
That
Yeah.
sauce, wow.
I know. So I added the sauce, which is really beautiful.
Nice and thick. Mm-hmm. They can't see that from there,
I
but
know.
trust me, very thick.
Very thick. Wow. Oh, it tastes so good.
This is really nice.
It is.
I love pork chops, but I've never had one with this degree of deliciousness.
Sometimes they're hard to cook. They're so easy to overcook.
Yeah, I'd agree. That's why you want to have a digital thermometer.
Yep, I got it right here.
And I don't know
Yes.
why we didn't get one earlier in life. Maybe because they didn't invent them. But
We had other kinds, but
this one's made by Thermapen, and this particular model is the Thermapen MK4. My son introduced me, my brother who has a restaurant. This is the ticket.
yeah,
And it protects your investment
right.
from being overcooked.
Sometimes it's really hard to judge, whether it's cooked enough or not. So
This is a winner. Thank
it
you.
is a winner. I'd say it's a 10 out of 10. We're gonna make it again.
Goes on the top of Brigetta's favorite recipe list in the book right over there.
Yeah. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New video every Sunday, and of course the recipes in the description box. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, very nice, Brigetta.